Well, good morning. This is what it looks like on my way to the barn. Thought I'd test the camera out and show you guys what the farm looks like this morning. Come on, Vic. We gotta feed the horses. Lead the way, puppy. Lead the way. Yeah, here's what it looks like around here. I'm sure it looks that way at your house. Definitely a white Christmas. Lead the way, Vic. Let's feed the animals. Here's my journey to the barn. Look at Victor. It is heavy, wet snow. This path was clear yesterday. Not today. Way to go, Vic. Good boy, Vic. Yeah. I can't believe all the snow. It's just crazy. You can hear me old fatty getting out of breath. It's hard work walking. I got all my coveralls on. Here's the barn. Cement shed. Yep, fine Christmas morning. That's what it looks like this morning, boys. Get poor Victor. Too deep to even go to the bathroom. To the horse barn first. See if this thing will film inside. I'm approaching. See, I gotta shovel that out. What a bummer, huh? See if I can even get the barn door open. Morning, everyone. Just barely. Oh. Good morning. Merry Christmas. There's Liberty. There's Ashley. The happy horse in the morning. Good morning, Ash. Good morning. Merry Christmas to you, honey. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Good girl. Yep, there she is with her happy face. Merry Christmas, girl. Merry Christmas. Libby. The littlest one, Sparky. Ice. Breeze. Bee. Good morning, Bee. The big red horse says, Merry Christmas. Hello to you. Hey, Zoe. Good morning to you, baby. Good morning, baby, huh? Good morning. Ashley trying to kill Zoe. Typical.